So we're going to do a video now about turning the various bits of kit on and various bits of kit off. There is another video about positioning in, and it does touch on that, but this is just a bit more detail. So you're going to be moving to the new vent, the dry vent, on this circuit. So the chair should be set up ready for you to go. You should have your new tubing on, and it should have a new HME. The way you should see if it's a new one in the morning, if it's got a plastic packet around the edge of it, because the person in the night should have changed that and left that on to show you that they've changed it. If you're not sure, change the HME. If it's not got one on, make sure there's a new HME on. That needs to be positioned over the top of the armrest and coming up through the middle, so that it's ready to go. So the things that we need to make sure, in your morning checks you will already have checked that the suction machine is working. So the main thing we're going to do is turn the vent on. It's a little bit tricky. I'm just going to unplug it so you can see. You don't need to undo all the plastic when you do it. I'm just doing it so you can see. There's your on button. So we're going to press that on. You only need to press it once. It will come on. It will take a few seconds for it to do some things. You can hear it starting to move. It will beep. It's saying warning. Running on battery power, which is fine. This battery that's being charged and the external battery that it's got will give you, well, it's between 6 and 8 hours each. So you've got plenty for a whole day out. And then you're also just checking that your oxygen is on, which is when it's turned to the onward. So make sure it's not in any of the red, on the on, but not into the numbers. And just check that your high flow's on 0. So then that's all ready to go. It will start alarming in a minute because it's not connected to anything. So I am just going to press silence alarm button. It does silence for a little bit first of all. I've just pressed it again anyway. And then when we come to turn off, I think I'll do a separate video on turning off. So that's turning on.